Hi guys! Today, Tara Robinson with Williams Ave Real Estate and I are at a gorgeous property in Enumclaw. This one is going to be a dream for someone who wants a one-story with a big shop. Tara, what else can you tell us about this super cute house?
All right, so this house is stunning. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and an extra room that would be perfect for either an office or a guest space. Best part for so many people is going to be that huge 1,200 square foot shop, and it has an air compressor in it. Huge added bonus. You ready to go take a look?
Let's go.